Today in our chemistry class, we rotated through different lab stations. We practiced lab safety protocols while conducting various chemical reaction experiments using elements on the periodic table. Go Bears!
Willow Lane Elementary Principal Jen Sexauer, along with staff members and a student, received a special surprise from the Winter Carnival's Royal Court. They were selected to be knighted. This court spoke of their daily kindness, work ethic, and positive attitudes.
Schools and programs throughout the district honored Veterans Day with a variety of activities. At Vadnais Heights Elementary, students gathered with family and friends to discuss the meaning of Veterans Day.
Central Middle Schoolers enjoyed a Veterans Day assembly with special guest Major Barry Hendrickson, who spoke about his experience serving in the military. And at the Senior Center, attendees gathered for conversations and good company to honor the day.
Go Bears!